Two monks were washing their food bowls in the river. They noticed a scorpion drowning. One of them immediately scooped it up and set it upon the bank. In the process, he was stung. The monk went back to washing his bowl. The scorpion fell into the water again. The monk saved the scorpion, and he was stung again. Having seen all this, the other monk asked, "Brother, why do you continue to save this scorpion when you know its nature is to sting?" "That's because to sting is its nature, and to save is mine."